Welcome to all. In this video, we will see black pepper tissue culture standards known as BPTC for the NCS TCP certification. The NCS TCP stands for National Certification System Tissue Culture Protocols, developed to recognize the tissue culture production facilities and certify the tissue culture production propagules. And black pepper is a highly commercial hill areas crop, and there is huge demand for in vitro tissue culture produced propagules among the farmers. The minimum eligibility requirements for the black pepper tissue cultures are listed here. All the micropropagation and greenhouse facilities provided with changing area between double doors must be approved and follow the minimum standards of a greenhouse. And the greenhouse should be free from pests and vectors for black pepper pathogens, and all potting media, grown media should be sterilized and water should be treated for free of pathogens. Hygienic conditions maintained throughout the period of micropropagation, potting, planting, irrigation, etc. And insect proof double door entrance is equipped with footwear disinfection facility prior to enter inside the greenhouse, and insect proof ventilation system should be provided in the greenhouse, and Wellington plastic kinds of boots are preferable to enter inside the lab, and lab coat is a must to enter inside the lab. The eligibility requirements for black pepper tissue cultures or BPTC. The mother plant must be notified variety and confirmed identity, such as through DNA profiling or phenotypic observation. The virus indexed from accredited laboratory for CMV and Butna virus phytoplasm, and it should be free from endophytic epiphytic fungi. Subculture of the materials need to be obtained fresh from the nodal organization once permitted number of proliferation stage subculture is reached. All the stocks must have a valid varietal identification and disease testing and DNA profiling, and have to keep the records to report at any time. The sources of seed. The recognized aseptic initiation and propagation procedure should be followed and seeds are obtained. The initiating facilities, that means initial establishment facility, must contain a record of variety of identification, date of initiation of the culture, origin and testing results from accredited laboratory at least for a year. The test should be conducted by randomly collecting 10 samples or 0.1% of the plantlets from each variety if it is more number of plants are present. And maximum permissible shoot proliferation stages up to 15 passages or 15 subcultures. And virus indexing for CMV and Butna virus and free of other endophytic epiphytic fungus also necessary. Valid pathogen testing results are required at the second and third subculture stage, and we can bulk it and use it as a mother stock culture for further subculture process. The detailed procedure involved in the tissue culture procedure for black pepper are: first one is selection of superior clones, and it should be virus indexed and DNA profile, and then we start the initial in vitro culture initiation. After 2 to 3 subcultures, the shoot tissues randomly selected and screened for systemic bacterial resistance as well as antibody sensitivity, and then the additional steps are taken to eliminate the phenolic exudation in the culture medium by adding additional substances in the culture medium. Then bacteria and phenol free mother cultures gone for 4th and 5th subcultures. Then it is allowed to shoot multiplication up to 15 passages. So initially shoot elongation by repeated subculture produce large amount of micro shoots, then go for in vitro rooting procedure by culturing in the rooting medium. After that, hardening is practiced in the greenhouse, shade net or poly houses, then kept in nursery, and from the nursery samples are taken and go for virus indexing as well as genetic fidelity. Then it is dispatched to farmers. The minimum quality standards for growing plantlets inside the greenhouse are sanitation procedures should be strictly followed, and it should be free from insect and diseases, and no field produced black pepper grown inside the protected environment, and the varieties must be separated by physical barriers and tagging. And before field dispatch of the propagule should be virus indexed and genetic uniformity should be tested. If accredited test laboratory reveals the presence of pathogens, the entire material should be destroyed. The laboratory or agency producing the tissue culture material should issue a certificate to the effect that black pepper tissue culture have been produced as per the guidelines under the strict supervision. Then, if the entire procedure is satisfied, the NTS TCP will issue the certification for tissue culture propagules. Generally, the label consisting of 12 and 6 cm, diagonally opal green and orange colored one. The label is signatured with a seal containing the name, designation of the concerned NCS TCP agencies, and the black pepper tissue culture production facilities shall maintain the account of labels printed and issued for distribution. Thank you.